Hello, today I'm going to show you how to do a quick brake pad change on a 2008 Ford F150. Got the wheel taken off. Go over to the caliper. Take off this top 13mm caliper bolt and then this bottom 13mm caliper bolt. Remove the top 13mm caliper bolt. Remove the bottom 13mm caliper bolt. And pry the caliper off just a little bit. So once you get the caliper off, you want to support the weight, hang it up. Once you get off, you want to support the weight. I just use an old coat hanger, hang it up, and change out the pads. So the inside pad was completely gone. Other pad. We're putting the Wagner TQ pads on here. Take off the old hardware, top and bottom, put new hardware on. Put it off. Put the new hardware on. Put on a new pad. Put the pads on. Put the clips in these two holes. Back of the pad. Use an old brake pad, put it up against the caliper pistons, get your caliper piston tool, and then compress the piston so you can put the caliper back down on the new pads. You just do both sides and compress it evenly. The caliper back on, just put the bolts back on, and we'll be good to go. Tighten up the bottom caliper bolt. Tighten up the top. Put the wheel on. The longest process will be compressing the caliper piston and taking off the tire. Hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.